rain noodles or clam chowder, and I wanted to do something a little fishy, a little clammy, and I really got tired of Seth's breath, so I'm just gonna warm up some clam chowder. Okay, and the can says to warm it up for 2.5 to 3 minutes. I would recommend 3 minutes. That way your soup is very hot, just like as if you didn't microwave it, fresh off of the stove top. But really it's in the microwave. So we're gonna cover this up so it doesn't splash everywhere. Alright, getting nice and, alright. I'm gonna put it up in this microwave. I would recommend knowing how many watts your microwave is. I don't, but it's okay. So we're gonna turn 3 minutes and let it go. And really, that's all you need to do for warming up your soup. In the meantime, I will drink this water. Water. Ooh. We could probably look around, look for some snacks. I ate some chicken earlier, but I could eat more. We got some chips, some burritos, some tostillas, some Ritz crackers. I hate crackers. Ferrero Rocher. Sticker for you. Nice. Just gonna snack on this. Seth farted in this earlier. So go to his channel at Seth_Hargart and just send him hate mail and stuff. I don't know. Tastes like chocolate. Let's see how the soup's going. Oh my goodness. Well, aren't you just glad I covered it up? But it's fine. Let's continue. So yeah. Comment down some questions or ideas of what video you want me to do next. I have one more can of soup, and it's chicken noodle soup. Yeah. Insert ad here. If you're injured in a car wreck, call 911 because they'll take 30 to 45 minutes to arrive. Alright, so we have 50 seconds left on the clock. I'm excited on how this clam chowder will taste. Because it's... Oh! I think this is slobber. That's kind of gross. Because of the dog. It's okay. It's okay. 20 seconds. Are you okay in there? 13 seconds. Oh, look, it's ready. So now, what we want to do is take out our handy gloves so that we don't burn ourselves. If you don't have these, I recommend buying them. So you can touch any hot surface that you want with no issues. Okay. Just take this bad boy out. Unravel this plastic that harms the animals of the ocean, but it doesn't harm the microwave. That's really all that matters. We can take off these. We don't need them anymore. We might if we want to sit down and eat. Bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Look, it's beautiful. Smells very seafoody. How does that smell to you?
Not that great.
You just don't like clam chowder. And that's okay. Not everybody likes clam chowder. I'm gonna use a little spoon because I like little spoons. I like eating the little spoon. I like spoon. I don't know where I was gonna go with that. Let's stir it up a bit. Okay. See if it's hot. It's warm. Could I probably microwave it for a little bit more? Yeah, but I'm not gonna do that. I put my pointer finger in the thumb. All right, now we're gonna transfer this to the table and eat up. Take these muffins off, mittens, gloves. And eat. There are potatoes in here.
What?
I think there's milk in here too. If you're lactose intolerant, you'll probably poop after you eat this. Give this video a thumbs up if you want me to make a video while pooping. Overall rating of the soup is probably a 2.5 out of 5. Could be better. Alright. Thanks for watching.